た。
渋谷です。
Minasan, konnichiwa, Fabi here. So, let's talk about Tokyo, my favorite city, and a city that is often hailed as a dream destination for travelers worldwide. But there's a rumor floating around, a whisper in the air, that Tokyo is an expensive city to explore. Well, guess what? We're flipping that script today. Welcome aboard as we dive into the art of traveling Tokyo on a budget. Yep, you heard it right. Where affordability meets the magic of this incredible city. Are you ready to crack open the treasure chest of Tokyo's thrifty side? Well, let's do this. Alright, here's the lowdown on saving those yen while you're exploring Tokyo. First up, the ultimate budget hack kingdom, convenience stores. These spots are a gold mine for travelers like us. Konbini, or convenience stores, are a paradise for budget travelers. They offer a plethora of delicious and affordable food options, from onigiri to bento boxes, you name it. And the best part? It's fresh, tasty, and won't break the bank. Not to mention, Japan has the best convenience stores. So I'm just here, chilling at Ueno Park. But here I just have this egg sandwich, which is quite famous. This is actually the last sandwich, or the last egg sandwich that I saw in 7-Eleven, or at least at the branch that I visited. So, there. Itadakimasu. Now I know what the hype is all about. Yeah, it's really good. I just have this pirukuru. Yum. And here's a pro tip. Grabbing an onigiri or two for breakfast not only saves you money but also gives you a taste of authentic Japanese flavors. Next up, let's talk travel. IC cards. Suica or Pasmo cards, they're not just any rechargeable cards. These bad boys not only get you around Tokyo hassle-free, but also snag you discounts on fares. Plus, you can use them for purchases at convenience stores and vending machines. Walking shoes on, folks, Tokyo is surprisingly walkable, and you'll stumble upon hidden gems and local spots that might not be in guidebooks. Most parks offer free admission. And listen up, even the prestigious Tokyo University is also open to the public. I even made a full vlog there. I'll put the link in the description. Now, hold your excitement for this one. Sightseeing in Tokyo? Picture this. Skipping those never-ending queues by booking in advance. Enter Klook. Tokyo has some incredible attractions, but did you know that you can save money and time by booking tickets in advance? I always use Klook for this. Klook offers discounted tickets for attractions, experiences, and even transport passes. Plus, you can skip the long queues by having your tickets ready on your phone. To save even more, you can use my exclusive code for 5% discount on any attractions or tickets available on Klook. Through this, we can save both your precious time and money.
I tried as many Japanese food as I could in one sitting. That was really good lunch. Wow.
Tokyo is indeed full of wonders, and a bit of preparation can turn your Tokyo experience from great to unforgettable. So, there you have it. Konbini, walking around, icy cards, and those awesome Klook discounts. It's your Japan budget survival kit. Remember, traveling does not need to be expensive. You can brace the local vibes while you ace the saving game. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Channel登録お願いします. Until next time, じゃあまたね. Bye bye.